Here's Aqara's little temperature sensor. These are some of the older versions. Now, to get into the battery and to get to change it, I just did a little twist here on the back, and then that allows me to open it. Now, you can use this, but you can see that that'll get a little bit beat up, and it's really hard sometimes to find a tool that can actually make that twist. So you just got to get it moving. I actually find a little bit of tape on the back and then pulling is another great method. Now, as you get the battery out, it is a CR2032. Now, you just got to make sure that the positive is up with your new battery, and then you're going to do the same thing with the case. You're going to put that back on. This little notch right here goes into that hole right there, and that's how you line things up and get things kind of pushed down. Now you're going to twist back to the right a little bit in order to get the device or the case sealed back up. And if it's not currently paired to a hub, then you're going to want to start pushing this here, and you'll see that little light go. Now that one's a little bit harder to push than most, so you might want to hold it down with something like a little screwdriver until you get that going, that little light there. That's a full reset. So now this is unpaired from any hub that it was attached to, so you don't need to do that. Just give it a few minutes if you're changing the battery to reconnect to its existing hub, but that'll get you moving with this little sensor.